US elections don't just affect America, they can shift the entire global financial landscape. Whether you're investing in New York, London, or Mumbai, political outcomes in the US have ripple effects on the world's markets. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how the 2024 US elections might impact your investments globally. Let's dive in. Whenever elections roll around, uncertainty tends to send markets into a frenzy. Investors don't like not knowing what's going to happen next, and as a result, we see increased volatility. In the 2016 election, markets reacted to Trump's unexpected win with a sharp 5% drop in the S&P 500 overnight. Yet, it recovered the next day. The 2020 election was another roller coaster. Markets surged as Biden led in the polls, but uncertainty over the pandemic still caused short-term dips. Election years tend to see higher volatility than non-election years. This happens because the market isn't just pricing in who will win, but what policies will come next, whether it's changes in taxes, trade agreements, or economic stimulus. In 2008, during Obama's first term, the US economy was in the middle of the global financial crisis. His policies aimed at stabilizing the economy led to a massive government stimulus that helped global markets recover. In 2016, Trump's presidency brought corporate tax cuts, which pushed markets to new highs, especially benefiting big corporations. In 2020, the uncertainty of COVID-19 and the US election created massive market swings. Biden's focus on renewable energy and healthcare, along with his stimulus packages, affected global sectors from pharmaceuticals to tech. The US economy is one of the largest in the world, so policy changes there affect everything, from interest rates to trade relationships and foreign exchange rates. For example, if the new US administration enacts tougher trade tariffs on imports, countries like China and European nations will be impacted. Tariff increases can drive up the cost of goods, causing inflation globally. On the flip side, a stronger US dollar post-election could weaken other currencies, affecting global businesses reliant on exports. The outcome may also influence interest rates. A conservative government may focus on fiscal tightening, which could drive up interest rates worldwide, while a liberal government might continue stimulus measures, keeping rates lower. Some industries are more sensitive to election outcomes than others. Technology. Big tech could face increased regulation regardless of the election outcome. Both parties have raised concerns about the influence of large corporations like Amazon and Google, so we could see antitrust laws tightening. Healthcare. This is always a key issue in US elections. A Democratic win could mean expanded healthcare coverage, boosting medical supply and pharmaceutical companies. A Republican win could mean cuts in healthcare spending, affecting companies that rely on government contracts. Energy. The energy sector stands at a crossroads. A more conservative government would likely favor the oil and gas industry, while a liberal one would promote renewables like solar and wind energy. For global investors, election years present both risks and opportunities. In the short term, expect volatility. Stocks may dip one day and surge the next depending on election news. But with volatility comes opportunity. Savvy investors can buy during dips or target sectors likely to benefit from new policies. For example, if you anticipate a government focus on renewable energy, clean energy ETFs might be a good investment. Or if you expect a recovery favoring tech, that could be another strong sector to consider. A key area to watch is the currency market. As the world's reserve currency, the US dollar affects exchange rates globally. If a new administration imposes stricter tariffs on imports, the dollar could rise, making exports from other countries less competitive. Trade agreements might also be renegotiated, impacting industries in Europe, Asia, and Latin America. Emerging markets, in particular, could face challenges if US policies shift towards protectionism. What's your opinion on how the 2024 US elections will affect global investments? Will renewable energy thrive, or will big tech face tougher regulations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how global events shape your financial future. With the right strategy, you can navigate any market, election year or not.